Probably the smartest thing I've ever done. That's heading straight towards the quarry. Got rotation on it. Yep, that's it. Hey, call Corey. Tell him it's heading straight for him. Tell him the funnel cloud's heading straight for him. Call Chuck. Someone needs to call Chuck. That's going to go straight over them. Or watch out. What do you say?
He's watching, he's not watching it.
Okay.
Back out.
And then he called Chuck.
It's lovely to call him, Chuck. Oh, I just called him.
Directly south of.
Directly south of you guys.
Looks like it's going northeast.